In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect additional brand domains in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot, and once you're in there, proceed to click on this gear icon to head over to your settings. Once you're in there, you can see right here the general tab, and you can also see right here your settings. So you can just proceed to scroll down until you can find the domains option right here. But you can also proceed to click onto the search bar right here in order to search right here for domain. Once you do inputted that, you can see right here your domain manager. So click on this. Once you're here, you can see all of the domains that you have available so far. So just wait for this to load, and you can see right here we have our system domain. And from this part, just click onto this connect a domain option to add an additional brand domain. You can choose between hosting and email sending. For this case, let's choose hosting. And it will help you connect with HubSpot built-in content delivery network or CDN. Click on the disconnect, and from in there you should be able to connect a domain of your own choosing right here. So you can just follow the on-screen instructions once you're done. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.